By tradition, the next step is to write your first Python program. But before we do that, we need to set up our folders and directories that is going to house all the Python programs that we are going to write in this course. Now, I'm going to create a folder, and inside that folder, each class or each course is each topic is going to be broken down into their different chapters and sub chapters. So you are going to see exactly how that is going to work out. But I want you to create a folder first of all. So just click the open folder button, and then I want you to navigate to where you want to place this tutorial. I'm going to go to my desktop and I'll create a new folder, and I'm going to call it Python course. Python. Now, once you've created that folder, just press enter. Now, I want you to open that folder and click select folder. So once you hit select folder, Visual Studio Code is going to open that folder and we can get started with writing our first Python program. So I am just going to hit yes, I trust the authors. Now, once I do that, I'll close this welcome tab and then create a separate folder called chapter 1, because this tutorial is going to be separated into various chapters. Once the chapter has been created, I will just create a new file inside this chapter. In order to do that, you could first of all right click on the folder and click new file. Or the second way you could do is you select the folder and click this plus icon right here. And once you do that, it's going to bring out this field where you can type in the name of the file that you want to create. Now we're going to name this file first.py, first.py. So since we are going to be writing our first Python program, what we simply just want to do is we want to create the file first of all called first.py, and then we want to write our first program. Now, what exactly are we going to write as our first program? As a tradition in programming languages, once you're learning a new programming language, it's the tradition to just print hello world or display hello world to the screen when you start using the language. So in order to write our first program, we're just going to type print hello world. Sorry, print hello world. Now, once you do that, I want you to just hit save. So we have successfully written our first Python program. All we have to do to simply run it is just click this play icon. And once you hover over it, you can see run code is written. So just click the play icon, and then this terminal is going to open up where you see the results of your code. Now that it has run, you can see that we are successfully getting Hello World being printed out to the screen. Now, I also wanted to show you other ways of writing our program. Now, all through this tutorial or all through this course, we are mostly going to be executing our program by clicking this play button. And if you remember, the way we got this play button was going to our extensions tab. So it was by navigating to the extensions tab and searching for code runner. And if I just scroll down, this is a specific extension which we had installed. So after installing this extension, we got this play button. Now, this is the first way we would mostly be executing or running our programs in this course. I wanted to show you another way. So the second way you can execute your programs is you right click and scroll down, and then you see run Python. So when you hover over run Python, you can then go to run Python file in terminal. So once I click that, you can see that the file gets executed in my terminal and I can see the output. So we have successfully written our first Python program. Now we're going to move on to the next step. At this point, if you have any question, please feel free to create a new question below this course and I will reply you.